What's up, guys? It's your boy Deezy Drey, and welcome back to the DSI YouTube channel, guys. So guys, on today's video I'll be actually reviewing a Bitcoin trade that I took earlier today. So basically I'm gonna walk through you with this, how I came about the trade, and yeah, how I came about the trade, guys. So I'm gonna touch base on that and literally explain every detail, everything that I used on this trade, every concept that I used on this trade, right? So yeah, guys, as you can see on the annotations on the screen, there's annotations. So yeah, guys, so without further wasting your time, guys, let's jump straight into the review. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe. Yes sir, let's go. So guys, basically I'm gonna start on a daily time frame. Okay, let's delete the annotations. Let's delete. Let me go to the 5 minute and clearly delete everything, because I like my chart clean, guys. I like my chart clean, and the reason why I'm not using my laptop is because like it's giving me problems. The microphone, like the audio is not that clear, so that's why I decided to use my phone. So starting on a daily time frame, guys, you can see that okay, we had like relatively equal lows right here. Let me just mark that out for you guys. So relatively equal lows, right, as you can see here. So after seeing the relatively equal lows, then I saw this fair value gap right here. We saw this fair value gap right there, and look at what price did, guys. So after manipulating this relatively equal lows, price just dipped into this fair value gap, and it continued up, guys. So as you can see, now we're seeing a buy scenario, guys. So after identifying this, I was like, okay, we can see that we wanna buy, but I also saw this low right here. This low right here. Let me just get it straight. Yes sir. See, this low was manipulated. As you can see, price just manipulated this low, those equal lows basically, and I knew that if price breaks this high, it's significant only if this low has traded into sell side. Look at your left, what do you see? Relatively equal lows, and plus we're inside this fair value gap, right? So this is significant only if this has traded into sell side, so I further went on and said, okay, as you can see right here, let me move that one, need a trend line. Okay, price then went further, broke, gave us a market structure shift, as you can see, broke the high into the fair value gap. As you can see, we went inside this fair value gap, right? We went inside this fair value gap, okay. Let me pull up my feed, but just wanna see something. Let's just pull up the feed from this low to this high. Oh yes, okay, it does hit our 50% retracement. Okay, so I knew that, okay, we have a setup, right? Remember, guys, we are inside, we manipulated relatively equal lows inside this fair value gap. We have to bounce up. We manipulated this equal lows, market structure shift into the fair value gap, right? So now what I'm seeing is that my draw on liquidity might, okay, it might be this high. Let me just do this for you. It might be this high, or it might somehow give us a reaction at this fair value gap, right? So you can see. So but what I was thinking is that, okay, I need a push up into that fair value gap, so maybe this might take the 2 to 4 days, I'm not sure, but I'm looking for price just to come back up. But if price does not respect this bearish fair value gap, I'm looking, there's my Tron liquidity on that high. Plus we have relatively equal highs, as you can see. Let me just highlight it for you guys so that you can see properly. As you can see, we have this relatively equal highs which come in a form of liquidity. So if price doesn't respect that, I'm looking for something like this. Price just to manipulate it, right? So yes sir guys, so as you'll know that, okay, on a daily time frame we are having a market maker bimodal setups, right? So further, if you are now moving to lower time frames, for instance the 15-minute time frame, because I do not look at the 4-hour, you know, I further jumped onto the 15-minute time frame to get more confirmation, you know. So I was like, all right, we manipulated this high, we took out this high. Let me just minimize this trend line. Okay, you know what, let me just add the trade history to pop up, right? With trade history, yes sir, you know, right? So I was like, okay, the thingy that was low, that was swept. Yeah, I think I was looking at this low. No, I'm lying. I was looking at, okay, yes, I was looking at this low. I was looking at the typing manipulated, you know. So the reason why I took this one is because, you see, price came from sell side, remember guys. So I knew that price has to return to this Beverly gap, you know, and as we can see guys, you see price manipulated, it traded into Beverly gap, it shifted, it went up a little bit, but when I dropped to the 5-minute time frame guys, as you can see, oh, I saw this low, I was like, okay, thank you, I have now more confirmations, you know. Let me remove this and let's just copy that. I was like, okay, we have a low that has been taken out, plus it's inside a favorite gap. I was like, okay, so as we can see guys, there's multiple favorite gaps. There's 1, 2, 3 guys. So if you come across such situation, what you want to do, you want to pull out your Fibonacci retracement to get your 50% or your 61.8%, you know. So I pulled out my Fibonacci, and after pulling up my Fib, as you can see, both the 50% retracement and the 61 is inside this fair value gap. So I was like, okay, I'm taking this fair value gap. That's gonna, the start of the fair value gap, that's gonna be my entry guys, you know. That's gonna be my entry drill, you know. Look what price does, it hits our 50% retracement. You see, okay, price shifts, it hits our 50% retracement. As we can see, it aligns with my 50% retracement. It further digs deeper into the 61 level, you know, it hits it. Look, after that, price just shifts away, it flies guys, as you can see, here. So guys, entry to stop loss to take profit. Let me remove the Fibonacci retracement. So my entry was at this level, the 62.41422 level, and my stop loss was above this low, the swing low right here at 61.881.57, and my take profit was exactly here at 63272.12. So with my target, I went to the hourly time frame, and you can see I was just targeting this high. As you can see, price even smashes through, gravitates towards the downside to furthermore take out the previous high. You see, there was relatively equal highs. That's liquidity guys. See this zone here, that's liquidity guys. That's liquidity. That's where the the retail traders placed their stop loss, guys. See here. They thought that, okay, price rejected this level like once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times, They were like, okay, I'm gonna enter here. I'm gonna enter this level. My stop loss is gonna be above there. And okay, price does get them into profit, but look what it does. It takes them out. We as institutional traders, we know that. As smart money traders, we know that that's liquidity. That is draw on liquidity. Market wants liquidity, guys. No matter what, market wants liquidity. Okay, they be happy that okay, prices is we in profit, guys. We in profit. Price turns, hits them, takes them out. That becomes our buy stops, or buy stops, draw on liquidity. It takes them out, guys. So you need to understand, guys. You need to just end this trade. I took this trade during New York session, but I only take a trade 8:30 New York local time, which if you convert it to South African time, it's like 2:30, guys. So this trade, this setups, guys, I'm telling you guys, this setups occur at 2:30. If you wanna hunt this type of setup 2:30, you wanna either price to take out a high or a low. We're trading lower or we're trading higher. We get a market structure shift into lower time frames. In your 3-minute or 1-minute chart, you look for fair value gap. That's your optimal trade entry. That's your entry trade. So that's it, guys. You can see it was a perfect trade. It was a beautiful trade. We took this trade beautifully. We closed off profit. It was a very, very beautiful trade, guys. So if any of you ain't familiar with the concept that I used throughout the video, check us out at Deadly Short Institute, guys. So hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media platforms, guys. Hit us up. We do teach this concept, the ICT concepts, guys. So if you wanna take trades like this, make sure you hit us up, guys, so we can teach you guys this concept. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment what you think, guys. Comment what you don't understand, and we will help you, guys. So guys, it's your boy Deezy Drey, DSI, your mentor. Much love, peace, and happiness.